Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Drawing neural network architectures can be a crucial part of presenting your work or explaining a complex model. Here, I'll provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw neural network architecture figures quickly using Python's matplotlib library. Step 1. Install matplotlib. Make sure you have matplotlib installed in your Python environment. If not, you can install it using pip. Step 2. Import matplotlib. First, import the necessary matplotlib modules in your Python script. Step 3. Create a neural network architecture figure. Now, let's create a simple neural network architecture figure with 3 layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Here's an example code snippet to draw a neural network architecture figure. In this code snippet, the draw_neural_net function takes the matplotlib axis object, the position of the figure, and the sizes of the layers as input. It then draws the neural network architecture figure based on the input parameters. You can customize this function to add more layers, change the colors, or modify the shapes of the nodes and edges to suit your needs. By following this tutorial and example code, you can quickly create neural network architecture figures using matplotlib in Python.